All right, good morning, guys. It is day 19, skate across America. I think this is officially the halfway point, which puts us on track for, what is that, 38 days? I think we're gonna be less than that. The past like 5 days has just been chip seal all day long, basically. So starting a little bit later, I think the sun's rising later. I'm kind of not really into being on these roads in the dark as much as I was in the beginning. So, and also I don't really have much time. I'm doing like a halfway collaboration post with Adorama, showing like some of the highlights from the trip so far. And I have like no time to work on anything. So I wake up, I'm like doing the thumbnail, doing that. So a little bit of a slower start than I want, but same as yesterday. So at this point, my knee is my #1 concern, because that thing's starting to get a little swollen, a little annoying. I think the chip seal had a lot to do with it, and now I'm basically just gonna start and immediately climb that hill over there. Bye, Danny. Oh, nice and easy. It's just as incredible to be able to coast down a hill and not be stopped by the chip of the seal. Yeah, I think we're hitting mile like 1400 pretty soon, which is the halfway point, roughly. Which is crazy in many ways. Crazy we got here this fast, and crazy we got here this slow. I feel like I could have got here faster. I made a plan the route better. It just really didn't seem when I was planning it that there was much way around it in Texas. Like there was so few options of roads, but here we are. Most soreness and pain goes away once you start moving. Don't quote me on that. I really can't believe that stretch we got hit with, man. I know I've mentioned it a couple of times, but I mean, it was like day after day of 20-mile-an-hour headwinds and chip seal. It was like, it's a miracle I even made it past there. Here's the update. No internet at all, 45 minutes. Maybe it pops in and out occasionally, so I'm gonna try to stream. I found 1 bar, so we're good. But Danny's not around because, well, he's got the Starlink, so he would be following me in this moment. But we found out that we both got bed bugs last night at the hotel we stayed at. So he just went to a laundromat and trying to get, I don't know, has to go to a pharmacy. We don't really know, we've never had them before, but kind of annoying. So we don't have Starlink right now. He's going to do that. Who knows how long it'll take. Sometimes you can't find a pharmacy or a laundromat out here. So that's kind of where we're at. A little ridiculous, but if the internet keeps going in and out or not connected, that's why. I'm gonna keep trying as I skate, but yeah, my goal today is just to get the miles in, and he's gonna handle that. I'm packed for basically the whole day. I got like an electrolyte bottle, filled up my water and some food. So kind of going old school for half the day or whatever, like the last trip. Never had bed bugs. Hopefully it's not ends up being too, oh my knee. Hopefully it ends up not being too big of a thing. We stayed in a random, like, there was no hotels anywhere nearby, and we were all tapped out, so we needed to do laundry. So we stayed at this spot, and yeah, it turns out they had some bed bugs there. Another rough morning. All right, 20 miles in, still no service. Yo, what you guys doing? Staying cool? Just chilling? Oh, am I annoying you? Alright, I'll leave you alone. Later. Okay, taking a little break. getting pretty hot. Ground's rough uphill, the usual. So just, you know, taking it easy. But I feel like it's a perfect time. I just hit the halfway point of my trip, and I'm gonna do a wheel test, wheel spin, see how we're doing. So first, that's how the front ones are looking. A little bit inside, a little bit inside. Nothing crazy. Nose, I think that's from, I have no idea. Back, definitely getting a little more chipped in there for sure. Oh, almost went down. All right. That's like pretty good. This is the one that had the rock stuck in it right there. So that piece ended up coming off. So let's see, a little chunky, but that still spins really good for not spinning on like a perfect axis. These are like still insane. Those quantum bearings held up really well. We passed halfway, we're halfway across. It doesn't feel like halfway because it feels like we made it basically halfway, and then we ran into a brick wall for like 4 or 5 days and drastically slowed down and then crossed the halfway mark. Hopefully we can pick back up. But who knows, with my injuries and slowing down and the roads and, you know, things arising, we'll see. But I still feel incredible, really good about the pace we're at. Yo, yo, hey! Don't mess with Texas, that's what they say. It's crazy, my route last time I got like partially lucky. I do remember a bunch of terrible days on chip seal, like, but not this many. Every day, man, I feel like it's gonna be the day I break through and back on track, and I just keep getting slammed. What do you think? Should we get into some tunes? When he went solo, a lot of people stopped at the Smiths, but Morrissey had some great songs on his own after. This one's fantastic. Irish Blood, English Heart. I bet Danny likes that song because he's a vegan, and Morrissey's, I think, he's like a famous for being vegan, or no, famously known for being vegan.
Try one of these. They're so good.
I was kind of like a.
They're just Takis with Cheetos. Good, right?
It's okay. There's like lime kind of in there.
I don't know.
Maybe not.
They're bomb. I love them.
If you like those, have you had the Cheetos yet?
Well, those have cheese in it.
Oh, yeah. Those don't.
Mm-hmm.
Oh. We're getting close, I think, to being like out of this region of Texas, West Texas, and hopefully the roads start getting a little better. But either way, we plow forward, and let me get out there and melt. Dan, what do you have to say to everyone? They missed you.
I don't know, man.
All right.
Let's get out of this area. Let's just go and never look back.
Good. West Texas has a special place in my heart. West Texas will get you though, man. You gotta watch out for West Texas. If it's not chip seal, it's bed bugs, it's earthquakes. But sheesh, look at that. Look at it. All right, a little bunny hill real quick. Get the blood flowing now that I'm back into it. If that hill don't kill the bed bugs in this heat, I don't know what will. That'll flush them right out. Look at that thing. Oh, yeah. Hello. All right. here. Oh yeah, it's a nice climb. Oh yeah, that's where we came from. That's big for an ant. What is this? A center for ants? As tough as it's been, it's something you don't forget. And when people ask me about the trip, funny moments or memorable things, that's what you remember, right? You remember, usually, yeah, you remember some like nice, heartfelt stuff. You remember the tough times. That's what builds character, and that's what you learn from. And now, anytime I go through something tough, I have a tool I can share with someone else to help make their life better or easier. Yo, I should make the world's first chip seal mini ramp. Way to go. Hell yeah. $10,555 on Natural High. Incredible, you guys are amazing. Seriously appreciate every donation, $1, $5, whatever. All adds up. May 19th today. I hate to say it, but it's Chad Caruso Day. I finished in 2023 in Virginia Beach. They made the day I finished Chad Caruso Day Enemy Certificate and all that stuff. Shout out to BB. Don't really do much to celebrate it. Feels kind of weird, to be honest. And like I don't deserve it, but it's bigger than me. It represents something bigger, and I should really set up like a push for charity. Big supporter. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, we're getting there. Oh man, though, my knee, especially the past couple of days, I think it'll make it through because like what other choice does it have? It's all about these. Alright, I gotta go. Remember, when you do something like this, you need to be properly fueled. It's the only way I'm able to do it. Never in my life did I think it would be so hard to get to 50 miles.
Well, this ground sucks. And you just keep going up.
I don't get it. The map says down. It just keeps going up.
You want some saltine crackers?
No, I'm not 95 years old. Yo-ho! I didn't know I had supporters over here. Yo-ho! Hell yeah. Big fans of the channel. Yes, sir. Silent supporter. He's one of us. Danny can listen to this one. This is Danny's Modest Mouse song for the day. This album built something out of nothing. Modest Mouse. It's pretty close to a masterpiece. It's a great album to live in the car while you're on a road trip. Mason, Mason, Mason. Okay, so 22 minutes away by car. See, 22 miles, something like that. It also says severe thunderstorm warning. That's probably not great. Oh, this is nice though. I love stormy weather. I never feel more alive inside of a storm. Right before though. The chaos, the clouds moving fast, the wind blowing. Uh-oh, we're getting a little choppy. How are we doing?
Oh, okay, I thought you broke down.
Oh no, I'm skateboarding across America. I appreciate you checking, thanks. It's crazy windy right now. We're getting blown sideways. Look at the grass. Made it to Mason. I think the ground got, I can't tell. Same? Worse? No. I haven't. A skunk came in front of me? Really? Honestly, if a skunk came near me, he'll probably think I smell terrible. Like, oh, God. This guy smells like chicken noodle soup. Get him away from me, please. Yo-ho-ho! Hell yeah. That was maybe my biggest supporter yet. They must know it's Caruso Day. Oh, I completely forgot. Now it makes sense. The support, the silent support. It's all making sense. My knee is like kind of giving out, I gotta say. I'm getting some, wow, I'm hearing thunder like crazy. Drizzles, oh no. Nah, someone snagged that musket deck pretty quickly, I bet. Like within a couple hours. Nice little flowers. Nice arrangement here. All right. My body is crashing. Uh-oh. Might not make it. All right, there's a little wind. I gotta slow down here. Or do I? Clean fitty. I'm done. That's it. I'm done. My knee is just gonna crumble with dust. Oh my God. I don't care if it's a little early. It's starting to rain. I hit 50 and I need the ice. Battled another tough day.
About today?
Yeah, about today.
Like the whole day?
Whatever you want.
It was an interesting day. Started off kind of weird. We got bed bugs. But, you know, once we regrouped, I'd say it was a pretty positive experience from there.
Yeah, we had a bunch of fun after this.
The ground is looking a lot better, too.
Yeah, I was thinking that too. I was like, you know what? It's not perfect, but past 3 roads have been rideable, so.
We're doing it.
Kick flipping you in the rain real quick? Or?
Kickflip?
Yeah, kickflip. I saw someone ask for a kickflip earlier.
Kickflip or nollie?
Straight kickflip. You're not sneaking out with a nollie flip.
I've done nollie and switch, but I don't know if I can do regular.
I forget. I don't need you getting hurt out here. This is the last one. I hope the stream caught that. That was nice. That's what we needed to end on. Hell yeah.
I can't do it regular.
That doesn't matter. If you got that, that's all you need. Okay. I'm completely wrecked. We are like, I think it's only what, 11 hours into today. Normally we do at least 12, so with the rain coming and stuff on my knee, I think perfect time to catch up on some things. And it is what it is. We want to be higher than 50, but at this point it's just like safety getting across while still pushing myself. I just realized I'm like throwing the mic around, so you probably can't hear me. And that's it. Day turned around, we had a bunch of fun, and hopefully we do the same tomorrow.